Megan with WTI, and I want to share with you some of the benefits of using the NYX Matte Finish Makeup Setting Spray. Now, I did do a little video for you where I put on makeup at 9:30 in the morning and use this setting spray. Right next to it, you can see how my makeup looks at 12:30 p.m., then again at 5:30. So if you compare from 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m., you can see that some of the makeup has deteriorated to a degree, but there's still makeup on my face, and that was wearing it all day for 12 hours in very, very hot and humid weather. Now, one thing I would definitely recommend is to use this in conjunction with a translucent powder. It's just going to give the setting spray a little bit more grip to hold on to so that it can keep your makeup on longer. I really like the spray aspirator on here. It gives a really nice, full, and even spray. If you tend to have oily skin or you live in a very humid climate like I do in the summer, matte is definitely the way to go to reduce some of that shine. So I do love when I spritz this on top of my makeup that it does create a nice matte finish after it's dried. So if you're looking for a setting spray that will help reduce oiliness and shine due to humidity, and something that's going to help your makeup last just a little bit longer, then I definitely recommend this NYX Matte Makeup Setting Spray. And that's my point of view.